My name's Harrison. I got 2 sliders and a shake, but I drank the shake already.
All right, boys. My name is Devon. I got 2 sliders, 2 tenders, and a mozzarella, and I'm gonna show you a cheese pull. I'm gonna show you a cheese pull, okay? Okay, all right.
Name's David. I got Dave's hot chicken right here. Spicy fries.
Oh, yeah.
Take a bite. Give it a bite. See how it tastes.
Pretty good.
My name is Kason. I got the loaded fries. I got the just a slider, no spice. Then I got 2 check tenders, no spice. Fries. Then I got the mozzarella squares. I got 5 of them. Fries.
My name's Josiah. I got the fries right here, and then I got the 2 sliders. 1 hot, 1 medium. It's the hot one.
Okay, ready? I'm done. You gotta get close to me. Ready?
They're actually not even chill.
Look at this. No, I'm trying to get chopped angles, bro.
No, there's not chopped, bro.
We're sending that to the 2-man applications.
Let me see the first video. No, I'm dying. Just eat your chicken. I can't. I took 1 bite.
Dang, city boy. On his head. Oh.
Got the chicken in the sauce. You gotta dip it. You have the loaded fries now. Wow, some chicken with that.
I don't know how to do that.
Go.
Right now?
Yeah, well,
Wait, right before you eat it. Yeah.
Bro, I already took a bite.
I'm going to.
Right now.
Oh, shit. Oh, never mind. No.
the medium mozzarella thing.
More than that, it's on video. Come on, let's see it. Oh, hell no, bro.